Hello everyone, welcome to the second episode of the #XUGSFlexibleLearning series. In this video, we are going to open up Teams on our browser and download the MS Teams application into our Windows 10 computer. All videos in the #XUGSFlexibleLearning series will be placed in a playlist written in the description of this video. You can also visit the URLs posted on the screen. Once you have signed into office.com, you will be greeted by icons. Now, for you to install Microsoft Teams, you have to find the Teams icon and click on it. Bring your team together. Create a collaborative workspace for your team and let anybody join, or keep it private. Use channels to organize activity by topic, area, or anything else. Chat one-on-one and with groups. Share ideas in open team conversations, or chat privately with anyone in this organization. Read files in chats and share your own files in channels. The web version of Microsoft Teams is already a very viable tool for joining your classes in the XUGSFlexibleLearning home-based part of the school year. However, for best results we are going to download and install this to our Windows 10 computer. To install the desktop version of Microsoft Teams, we head over to the lower left part of the site and click on the icon which says Download Desktop App. Then, we will just wait for the file to download completely. Once download is complete, we head over to Downloads folder. There are many ways of doing it. However, for this tutorial we click on the three dots here and go to Downloads. Then we click on the Show in Folder text. This will lead us to the folder where the file has been downloaded. Just to make sure it will be installed correctly, we right-click on the file and run it as administrator. There is a prompt on this part which says, do you want to allow this app to make changes on your device? Then choose Yes. We will then wait for Microsoft Teams to be installed in our computer. You will then be greeted with a dialog box that lets you input your Microsoft Office.com credentials. So let us sign into our Microsoft account using the email address given by CISO and the new password we have made. You now have the option to let the organization manage your device. However, I will just choose for this time the option which says, No, sign into this app only. And now we see the Microsoft Teams app installed in our computer. Congratulations! You have done it! This has been the second episode of our #XUGSFlexibleLearning series, which shows how to install Microsoft Teams into our Windows 10 computer. Stay tuned for more videos.